symbol of Chinese food? Chopsticks could be counted as one. Hot pot, dan dan noodles, dumplings, stinky tofu, kung pao chicken. To enjoy such a huge variety of regional cuisines and culinary styles, the art of handling the magically dexterous chopsticks should not be neglected. If you want to use chopsticks well, start by training flexibility in your fingers and wrists. This is different from knives and forks that require using more force in the arms. China's agricultural history has given its people dexterous hands. Experienced cooks and skillful people can easily complete many actions such as stirring, mixing, picking, pricking, cutting, clipping, plucking and scraping. Li Dongsheng founded a museum of chopsticks in Linhai, a 1,000-year-old city in Zhejiang province. Some people collect antiques, others collect paintings, but he has found a passion in chopsticks and has been designing and collecting chopsticks for 16 years. First, we need to feed our stomach to survive. Then we need to feed our eyes with beauty. Behind its minimalist form, chopsticks reveal the development of Chinese cuisine.
我这边呢收藏的这种筷子呢，是最久远的，应该是到了汉代。当时的汉代跟唐代期间呢，都是分时制的，席地而坐，有可能整个的食器都比较大。这些筷子呢，当然是只有青铜才可以遗存下来。那当时呢，也有这种汉代呢也有漆筷，也有木筷、竹筷。那么在形制上面是唐代的这种筷子都比较偏长、偏细，到了宋代就变得比较简约，上面比较方。那么进嘴那一部分呢就偏圆了，应该我想就是从那个时候就开始慢慢就形成了呢。
For ordinary Chinese, a pair of bamboo or wooden chopsticks is better suited for their daily needs. Their flexibility enables craftsmen to use their skills to draw exquisite designs on a small shaft by chiseling, cutting, or carving out detailed patterns. From a strip of bamboo to this simple shape, the creation of a pair of chopsticks goes through numerous steps. One end being square and the other round symbolizes the old idea that the earth was square and heaven was round. China's natural lacquer is known as the king of paint. When applied to high-quality wood, a pair is said to last thousands of years. Straight, neat, with Chinese traditional elements of round and square. Chopsticks reflect the characteristics which are highly praised in Chinese aesthetics: temperate, well-disciplined, and harmonic.